today's review is going to be interesting because this is my very first time using the brand CETAPHIL. I have never used CETAPHIL before, I believe, especially here on this channel. So this one I've got is their facial moisturizer. I'll quickly show you how the tube looks. This is the product. You want to stay tuned to the very end so we can both find out if it's a good product for you and me. This channel talks all about skin. If you're interested in such topics, smash the subscribe button, turn on the post notification, like the video, comment and share to other people. And as always, if you want to buy quality hair, you want to buy it from us, so make sure to stop by at www.sharegorgeous.co.uk. So we'll start with looking at the actual product, how it comes in. So I bought it on Amazon and this is the box it comes in. So it's a really small box. It comes in like so. And CETAPHIL has got this logo, as you can see here, and it's in blue. The writings here are in black, green, and yeah, black and green for most of it. It's an okay packaging, especially for the price of the product. We'll now go into opening it and see the actual tube it comes in. So this is the tube it comes in. Really cute. A very good packaging. And it says here CETAPHIL Daily Defense Moisturizer. It's got a face here and it says sensitive skin. So just like a simple brand, I think they also target people of sensitive skin. I'm not entirely sure, obviously it's my first time using the product. But yeah, it says that here, so I find that quite interesting to learn more about this brand and this particular product. A friend recommended to me, so thank you if you're watching me, you know yourself. The first thing I noticed when I use this product is that it has a really nice feel, and it's also kind of matte water based. When I used it, it felt matte and a bit on the dry and not so much, very light dry feel, and it's got this water kind of base going on, so it's got a light feel, and also it easily absorbs into the skin and it helps with hydrating the skin. It's got SPF 50 on there, which is good. Obviously it means it is a sunscreen. By now you guys know I'm a big fan of sunscreen. You always want to protect your skin so it doesn't darken again, and we know exposing our skin to severe sunlight for a long duration of time can cause wrinkles, and we do not want that. We want our skin to look as youthful as possible, so it is great to know that there is a sunscreen in here. The next benefit is what I said earlier, which is it's good for people with sensitive skin, which means all other skin types can use the product. I have got an oily face and I used it and it was okay. So yeah, if you have any other skin type, feel free to use the product unless you have severe underlying skin issues. Please speak to your doctor first to give you the go-ahead before you use this product. And next, it has no fragrance in it and it's non-comedogenic, which means it does not block your pores. Let's now delve into the key ingredients in this product, and the very first one, which you've heard so many times on this channel, it is glycerin. Glycerin acts as a humectant to retain moisture in the skin. It increases the skin's hydration and relieves the skin from dryness. And finally, it helps to refresh the skin surface. The next key ingredient is titanium dioxide. It's my first time coming across this ingredient, so I found it quite interesting. But this particular key ingredient is mostly found in mineral-based sunscreens to prevent sunburn and sun damage. There's also propylene glycol, which acts as a humectant to hydrate the skin. There's also petrolatum. Now for this one, it's also a new key ingredient I learned, so I found it quite interesting, and it helps to relieve dry skin and serve as a moisturizer. Finally, the stearic acid, which helps to soften and smoothen the skin surface while also helping to maintain the skin's barrier. Hey there, I'm sorry to interrupt. Just a quick reminder to subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notifications for future uploads. Thank you. You can use it twice in a day, so in the morning, evening, or in the afternoon, evening, whatever works for you. You can use it as much as you want to because it's not got harsh ingredients in there. So yeah, feel free to use it as and when you want to use it. And because it's got sunscreen in there, if you're using it specifically to prevent sun damage, you want to reapply within the day. So if the sun is really harsh, you want to reapply at least 3 times a day, just so you know you're getting the maximum protection from sunburn and sun damage. What I didn't like about the product is the very first time I used it, it left a white cast on my face. The formula is light, yet it's pigmented. So if you don't rub it into your hands really well and take your time and work on your face and your neck, it's going to leave a white residue or cast. I faced that issue and it wasn't interesting, so it's something for you to be cautious about. If you really wanted to buy it, make sure you take your time to apply it on your face and for it to absorb properly onto your face and neck before you go out there. But apart from that concern, I think it's generally a good product. That's the end of this review. Very straightforward, very precise. I think if you are considering buying this product, go for it. I bought it not because I wanted to get any sort of results. I bought it because I've never used CETAPHIL product, so I wanted to use it and give my review on it. And I think it is a good product. Anytime I wore it into the sun and came back, I didn't see any sort of sunburn, so it does give you that protection. And also the smell is good. For most of these kind of matte based products which has got SPF, it has this sort of off-putting smell, but this one has a really good smell. So kudos to CETAPHIL, they did a good job on the smell. But yeah, go buy it if you want to. Like I said, if you have skin concerns, speak to your doctor first before you go ahead to buy it. That should be all for this review. I've left a link down below so you can go purchase it, or feel free to buy it from any of your local beauty stores. And yeah, that should be me.